So you want to make sure, family, that you understand the change management process. Yeah, you want to understand change management, especially in IT, because when you're in a good organization, you know the motto here. And when you work in a good, great, or I should say exceptional organization, they will make sure your documentation is to a T. Internal, meaning that a team internally works on the auditing and ensuring that the change management process is they'll pull samples of different changes to make sure that they're aligned with the policies and procedures that were put in place. So what I'm saying there, family, is make sure that you understand the principles and the procedures and practices when it comes to actually change management, because you'll be shocked in IT. I was having so many different changes, and it depends on what you're working on. If you're working on applications, you may have a lot of different changes because during going through the process, you realize this is not going to work for what we need.